Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is my Wendy's Frosty. Only a few ingredients, so let's get started. You'll need 8 ounces of Cool Whip. This is 16 ounces, but you only need half. 14 ounces of the sweetened condensed milk, and a half a gallon of chocolate milk. Those are the 3 ingredients that you'll need. So I have my blender. I'll pour my chocolate milk into my blender. So that was the half a gallon of milk. Now I'll open up my can of sweetened condensed milk and pour that in. The sweetened condensed milk is in. Now I'll put my lid on. Now that I blended the sweetened condensed milk and the half a gallon of chocolate milk, I poured the mixture into my bowl. I'll take half of the Cool Whip, because you only need 8 ounces, and then I'll mix this in, and then you want to freeze it for a couple of hours. So now I'll take my mixer and mix this in until it's well combined. Now that this is well combined, I'll put saran wrap on top and place it in my freezer for a couple of hours. And this is a 3-ingredient Frosty, and hopefully it tastes just like the one at Wendy's. I'm going to give it a try just to see how it tastes. It does taste like Wendy's. So I'll put the saran wrap on top, place it in my freezer. So into the freezer it goes. So it's in my freezer, and you want to leave it in there for a couple of hours. Now I'll check on it. I just want to see how it's doing. About another hour and that should be good. It's been a couple hours, so now I'm going to check on it. I'll take it out of the freezer. So it's been a couple hours that I had it in there. You don't want it to fully freeze, you just want it to thicken up. So you can see it's getting thick around the edges. So you want to stir it. Now that I mixed it around, you can see how some of it is really thickened up. I'll put the cover back on, stick it back in the freezer for a couple more hours. You want it to be a nice slushy. That's the consistency you're looking for. I'm just going to give it a little try right now. I know it's not ready, but I'll just try it, see how it tastes. Tastes pretty good. So now I'll put the saran wrap on top and place it back in my freezer. I'll take the saran wrap off. Because it was in such a deep bowl, I had to leave it in there for about 6 hours. You can see it's like a nice slushy. Wow, this is good. I'll put a little bit in a glass. So what I'm going to do is use an ice cream scoop take it out and put it in my glass. You can see it froze to like a slushy stage. And there it is. I'll get a straw. You can see how nice and thick it is, just like the Wendy's Frosty. You can either use the straw, use the spoon. So now I'll give it a try. It really does taste like the Wendy's Frosty. This is really, really good. Quick and easy too. This is really refreshing too on a hot day. And if you don't have ice cream in the house, it's really good. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watching me make my Wendy's Frosty. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.